Hello everybody, Lance here, and I've been silent for about 2 years now because I've been kind of buried alive in work. But in any case, I kind of have some time on my hands now, so I'm going to drop a video every now and then. But unfortunately, I cannot come back for good because I'm still busy with other things. Now, the landscape tutorial that I've been making before I went silent 2 years ago, these tutorials are outdated now, so I'm going to update the landscape nodes and then make another series about the landscape later. But for the time being, I'm going to show you how to create the wood textures, because I've been showing off my wood texture for quite a while now without any tutorials. So yeah, in the next video, I'm going to show you step by step about how to create the wood textures that you're seeing here. All of these are fully procedural. There is no image textures whatsoever. So these are actually pretty hardcore, you know. And for those of you who don't really care about how to create the wood texture yourself and just want the wood texture for your project, then all of these are up for sale on my Gumroad store, so please consider purchasing. I'll put the link in the description. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.